This is how to change the color of a dress in Photoshop under 2 minutes. First, drag and drop your desired image into the Photoshop program. Press enter. Now using the pen tool from the toolbar menu, make a selection out of the dress. To save some time, I have already made a selection of the dress. Go to bottom of the layer panel and select solid color. Select the color you would want your dress to be. From the blending mode above it, select the mode multiply. Double click on the solid color layer to change it to any color you like. You can also make the dress black or white by dragging the color all the way to the left. If you want rich and darker colors, you can drag the color to the right and choose a color of your liking. Color picker tool can also be used to pick some natural colors from the picture itself. When you found a color of your choice, hit OK and you're done. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next one.